welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a really long time because of the pandemic. I really couldn't travel anywhere, but now that things have been released and the lockdown has been released, I'm here today at Majestic Railway Station, also known as Kranti Veera Sangoli Rayana Railway Station in Bangalore. So what brought me here is the news that there's a new aquatic tunnel that's inaugurated here. So it was very interesting for me to read that news. So I've come here today, so let's check it out. So the timings for this is 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. and it costs 25 rupees per person. You can pay either through cash or UPI payment. I'm going to obviously phone pay because I've literally stopped carrying cash. So I pay through phone pay or Google Pay anywhere I've been. Basically I'm going cashless. So I've paid. Very recently, I think about 2-3 days ago, so it's still new and the balloons are still here. This is amazing. I think these are angelfish. These are angelfish and the one here is called lionfish. I used to play a game called Feeding Frenzy, so that's how I know all of them. And obviously, you know what this is? It's the clownfish Finding Nemo. So this is a seashell, and there are various details about its habitat, about its diet, and things like that. It's both in English and Kannada. And this is the starfish. Jellyfish. Lobster, sea turtle, and a crab. So it reads here that there are more than 4,500 species of crabs. Crabs are super old. They showed up during the Jurassic period. So it's a nice place to come and it's very informative. If at all you're waiting for a train. For your train for a very long time, I feel you can come here and just chill out and you can gain a lot of knowledge obviously. Obviously everybody knows what this is, it's a seahorse, but did you know that it's the male who gives birth? So the male seahorse reproduces to about hundreds of younger seahorses. So this tank contains of parrotfish, ostrich, jewelfish. I'm not sure if this is the follow fish. No, this is not the follow fish. There's something called a follow fish. I don't know which one that is, but I thought that is the one. These are some nice, cute, small varieties. These are silver sharks. I had them in my house for a very long time. They're super fast. Very, very fast moving fish, although they're small. There's something called tiger shark as well, but I don't find it here yet. This is the gourami. It's more like a huge goldfish. So we have with us Mr. Adnan from Aquatic Kingdom. So Mr. Adnan, what's the speciality of this place?
Like speciality in the sense we have maintained three types of segments like marine section, freshwater section, planted section.
Okay.
And the main attraction is like Polydorium, which we have made as 12 feet long and 8 feet height and 4 feet width.
Okay.
And we have got another attraction as Tunnel Aquarium. That is 20 feet long.
Okay.
20 feet long Tunnel Aquarium. What you are seeing in Tunnel Aquarium planted in this thing, all these are freshwater.
Okay.
Okay, marine section is the back side. I can take you there and I can explain you what is like few varieties. Okay.
So we'll come to the marine section.
Here you can see today morning we got some new stock also. Those are some lionfish. Turbo snails are there. Blue streak wrasse is there, and Moorish idol is also there in the same time.
Oh, there are 2 lionfish here. No, there are
No,
more.
there are more,
Okay.
but they are in hiding place now
Okay.
because they have traveled all the way from very far.
Okay.
So they are in hiding.
Okay.
Once they come out of stress, they'll come out and play. Those are Moorish idols.
So I think this is a great initiative by Indian Railways
Exactly.
because I think it's not just for like time pass, it's also like knowledge gaining.
Exactly. Most of the travelers will face lots of problem by spending their time in the waiting area or something like that. It will play as a stress busters to them.
Right.
And we are trying our level best to make explain to them and get some knowledge about it.
Right. So all
Like
your
that.
staff are usually there.
Yes, anybody will be there, like somebody will be there to guide people inside
Okay.
and we explain them whatever we know.
It was great talking to you, Mr. Adnan. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
We are in the freshwater section, and what you're seeing is the alligator fish. And also, if I can show you, there's an eel behind this fish. If you can see that black thing over there. I think it's very hard. Over there. No. Yes, that's the eel. That round thing that you see, that's the eel. And this is a freshwater aquarium, so they have natural plants and water keeps sprinkling all the time. It's actually nice to stand here. Okay, let's move on. These are again the freshwater aquariums. So I like how it is divided as normal, marine and freshwater. They have a nice dedicated segment to each of it. These are neon tetras. These are very cute. So they are neon blue in color. If you could zoom in a little. Very cute fish. It looks very nice to have them in your aquarium actually. Extremely tiny, yet very attractive. This is my favorite part of the entire aquarium. So this is basically the underwater sort of a tunnel. So there are fish all around you. So these are tiger sharks. So they grow to be very, very huge. So they're very fast as well. Another thing is that the entire thing is interconnected. So you have to sort of keep fish that coexist with each other, and you can't put random fish. So a lot of thought processing has gone into this. This is actually giving me the feels of Dubai underwater aquarium, where it's in our very own Bangalore. And if you happen to travel by train and come to Sangoli Raina railway station, that is Medicine railway station, you should pay this place a visit. The medium-sized stingray. Wow, this is the first time I'm actually looking at a stingray. This is beautiful. Absolutely enjoyed coming here, and it was definitely a stress buster for me, more like a refreshment. If at all you're early for your train and you have a lot of time, instead of waiting in the waiting room, you can definitely come here and check it out. It's just $25 per person. So I would definitely want to appreciate Southwestern Railways for this. It's a great initiative, and this is one of a kind in Bangalore. So that's it about today's video. So stay tuned for my next video. Until then, take care. Namaste.